Most people use 3-up without understanding it. In this video, I'll show you how to analyze it correctly and make more profit using it. So we'll be focusing on the La Liga, and I'll be making an example using the following teams, which are FC Barcelona vs Valencia CF. So right now I'll be checking the teams table, and we can see that Barcelona is number 1 on the table with 94 points, and Barcelona already won the league, which shows us that Barcelona is performing well and Barcelona is doing great this season, whereby Valencia can be struggling a little bit, which is fighting to be in the top 10. And so it may win the next match, but you can see that both teams are in the top 10, but Barcelona is the one which is performing really well. So right now we'll be jumping on the last 5 games to check whether our market is working or not. So checking the last 5 games on 24/04/29, we can see that our market worked, guys. The market of which we'll be focusing on today is Barcelona 3-up, right? So I hope you all understand how this market works, because I've explained it in the last video. If you haven't watched it, you can go on my channel and check it out. So yeah, besides that, we can see that Barcelona scored 4 goals, right? Barcelona scored 4 goals, whereby Valencia scored 2 goals, whereby it's not 3-up, but the main point is that Barcelona won, guys. Using this market of 3-up, even if the team doesn't actually get 3 goals ahead, but actually wins the match, even though you could win the match with the 1-up, you can still win, guys. Here you can see just 2 goals ahead, but our market worked, guys. Our market worked. So moving on, the following match on 24/08/17, we can see that our market worked again, guys. Our market worked. Even though it's not 3 goals ahead, this market is still going to work as long as the team wins. It's still going to work. Here it worked, guys. It worked very well, because that Barcelona is a well-performing team and doesn't disappoint, a lot. So yeah, moving on the next match on 25/01/26, we can see that our market worked, guys. Our market worked again, and here it worked very well, because we can see that the 3-up market worked, right? Because it even worked the first half, so your payout might be given to you during the first half. So there you can see that, yeah, you won. You might have won if you placed a bet around the time, but here you can see that the 3-up market worked. Moving on the next match on 24/02/06, we can see that our market worked again, guys. Our market worked again because Barcelona scored 5-0. And the 3-up market worked, guys. The 3-up market worked here, and we can see that. So moving on the next match on 25/09/14, we can all see that our market worked. Barcelona scored 6-0. 6-0, guys. Can you hear that? 6-0 against Valencia, and which made us win our bet. The Barcelona 3-up market right here. So guys, as we're analyzing, we can really see that our market worked 5 times in a row. Worked 5 times in a row in the last 5 matches, guys. So this shows us this market might work, right? But something that could disturb is that Barcelona already won the league, so they don't no longer have the motivation or having the need to win the following matches, because they've already won. Then what's the point of winning, fighting to win matches? All the World Cup is coming, because the World Cup is going to be around June, which is next month, and the players don't want to risk for injuries and stuff. So yeah, Barcelona might lose the following match, but this market is working on Barcelona. But those are some of the factors of might influence Barcelona to lose the match, right? And yeah, they are valid. They are valid factors. But yeah, besides that, guys, if you have any questions to ask, comment below and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and strategies.